We go into here. Fixed.
Stupid FedEx truck.
You're late, bro.
What?
You're like super late.
I'm not late.
You're kind of late.
I need to go down to the local Lamborghini parts store.
Wait, what? We don't have a Lamborghini parts store here.
Yeah, we do.
What?
Volkswagen.
Volkswagen. What is it? What?
Airbag lights on.
Right there. Oh wait, what's that? What are those? Is that the Olympics right there?
It's the,
We get the Olympics?
it's the Volkswagen Olympics. So the customer came in and I guess we could put that in the trash. Customer said his airbag light was on. So I called Lamborghini and they said it takes 4 to 5 months to build the seat. And the seat is $6,000. But what they don't know is, well actually what they do know, and they charge you for it, that all these parts are Volkswagen parts. See, even the module. Made in Mexico. So your Italian Huracan was made in Mexico by Volkswagen. Imagine that. Now, we just need to see if this will work.
How will we know if it works?
We have to go to this computer of doom.
Ah.
Start the car. The battery charger's on it. Okay. So we go here into this airbag module and see what codes we have. Come on, you can do it. It's on one table. See occupancy, mat detection. All right, so go here, clear the codes. Get out of that. We go into here, type in our security password. Accept in. We go into basic settings. Reset seat occupied recognition. Seat occupancy recognition. That's what it should be. Stupid Germans. Stupid Germans.
Italian.
Finished correctly. And then we get out of here. And we go into here. Fixed.
No fault codes?
All for the low price of Volkswagen parts. But there's one thing left.
Uh-oh.
Now to make this repair official,
Yeah.
you have to have a Sharpie.
Okay.
It can be purchased at your local Staples.
Uh-huh.
You have to
Is that made in Mexico too? Is it an Italian pin?
No, I think this was made in China.
Yeah.
To make this repair official, you must come over here. Because it won't work. Once you put it back together, it's not going to work if you don't finalize this last step here.
Okay. Ah.
Is there an H in there?
Yeah. Right after the G. And I and I.
You can put a little dot there. Fixed.
Lamborghini.
Right. And that's what makes it official. Now I gotta take the seat cushion apart and put that stupid thing in there and put it back together. Cool, end vlog. Okay.
All right, you put your seat occupancy sensor in there?
I did. Occupied.